Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a complete review of the Keurig K Mini. This is a very simple coffee maker, and the size of this thing makes it very desirable, especially for people with small kitchens. Anyways, I've been using this for a little over a month now, so I know a lot about this, and I'm going to go ahead and change the camera angle and show you a closer look at this, and then after that we'll do a quick little sample brew for you guys. So here is a closer look at the Keurig K Mini. As you guys could see, there are basically no settings on this thing, and I'll show you how you guys select the size for your brew in just a moment. But let's start on the front. So down here we have a removable drip tray, and when you guys remove it, you guys could put a thermos right there and get a little bit more height under this part. The actual tray for the K-Pod is not at a slant. As you guys could see, it's flat, so it is just a little harder to get that out of there, but it's not a big deal. On the top, we have the brew button and then a power on button, and that's basically it. And then on the side here, this is how you guys determine the size of your brew. Basically, you just pour in how much water you guys want in your brew. So if you guys want a 6-ounce brew, pour it to the 6. If you guys want a 12-ounce brew, you guys pour it to the max line. And that is the max and the least that this can brew. The tray up here is not removable, so to clean it, I would just use like a rag or something like that. There's no special descale mode either. Basically, I just run vinegar through here a few times and then run straight water through just to get rid of any smells. And then lastly, on the back here, we have a 26-inch long power cord. And the cool part is you guys could actually tuck it into the machine. So you guys can make it look really nice and it's easy to move around. So now it's time to go ahead and do a test brew with that K-Pod that I already had in there. All right, so we are going to open this back up, shut it, it's already powered on, and now we're just going to hold that Keurig button just for a moment. And I just heard it kick on, so it's probably heating up the water. And I see the water sinking down already. So we'll see just how long this takes. And normally they take about 2 minutes to finish a brew. All right guys, and it is starting. It did take quite some time for it to heat up, but it wasn't too bad. And now it is brewing a very light brew because this is an old K-Pod. This should still give us a good idea of how long it will take to finish a brew. And I'll make sure to keep the camera going until this is done, just in case you guys want to get an idea of how long this takes. So overall, as you guys could hear there, this is a louder Keurig. I've had quite a few of these now, and this is probably the loudest one that I've had, but for its size, I think it's still doing a pretty good job. So it took us about 1.5 to 2 minutes to get this brew done, and the K Classic does it a little bit faster at just 1 minute, just to give you a reference. So anyways, with that being said, that's just my really quick review of the Keurig K Mini.